this calculator was solar panel charged. I'm gonna cut the wire. Okay, cut the wire. Where did that? Oh, it's on my lap. I really want to get this open. I see there's a watch battery in there. Oh, that was simple. A sticker here. 2 more foam things. This is just.
We're thinking of renaming. Nick.
Yeah, we're thinking of renaming the hedgehog. One of our names so far is hopefully going to be Nick. Hopefully, I want to save this watch battery because I don't know. Oh, it popped out.
Monday is Christmas Eve, and today is December 21st, 2012.
Well, there's a watch battery.
It's Saturday, and so Monday is gonna be Christmas Eve.
I need to rip this off.
I don't believe in Santa, neither does.
You said that in the previous episode.
No, I said that. Santa Claus.
No, my screen somehow is still gonna. Oh no. I need my scissors. You ready, guys? I've been waiting for this moment. Yeah, there we go. Now can you grab the camera for a sec? Because I want to show them what has happened to the number dial.
Well, you can come over here and I can see it perfectly.
Okay. So the number dial, if you know that the little numbers in there are made of liquid they're just black liquid, and that's what the numbers are made of. And I kind of broke the numbers, and the liquid has been spewing out inside of the glass panel. If you can see that. A lot of scientists know that's what the numbers are made out of. I watch Bill Nye the Science Guy, so I know properties of matter and stuff. So I don't want to spew this all over my pants.
Yeah.
So would you be my helper and grab me like a paper towel or something in the bathroom?
Yeah, hold the baby hedgehog.
Okay, I'll hold the hedgehog.
He's a baby, so be careful with him. He's only a baby.
Don't scrunch your legs like that. Okay, so we don't want to get too messy here. I don't want this to squirt everywhere, so I kind of want to lay down some paper towel or some toilet paper in this case. If you're ever taking apart a calculator, you should watch this video first. Oh, more of it's spewing out. Oh, I cracked it.
There's some kids in my class who take all the buttons out of calculators.
Yeah, that's what I did with my friend.
And they sell them for tickets.
Really? They sell them?
Yeah, we have like these tickets that you get from the dollar store in class that Miss Tiska gives out. And you can catch it for a price if you have 20 of them.
Well, I really cracked the screen if you can see.
And if you have 400 tickets, we can have a class party. Like a free activity time for 30 minutes.
That's it? Just 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Wait, that's decent. That black liquid is seriously holding on to the glass. This is, I think, bulletproof. Oh, I'm breaking off the screen. Oh, where's the liquid though? Oh, I guess it's like, oh no. Oh, I got some on my finger. It's liquidish. It's black in here, but when you open it up, it's actually not black. It's see-through. Maybe some illusion that the screen plays on you. I'm not sure, but my hands are getting really wet right now. Better wash my hands after this.
Yeah, I'm not touch your face on it.
My hands are really wet. Wow, that's amazing. I'm gonna wipe them off right here right now. So that's technically the screen. I'll come up and show you guys. It's really wet. Actually, there's 2 parts because I broke it in half. So here's one part of the screen. It kind of like, the liquid is in here. It's actually see-through. My thumb is wet right now. And this is the other part of the screen. I don't know. We'll open those up later, but right now, I really want to get into this. See the number dial. Here's some pretty cool stuff.
You look like really professional for how the camera is set up.
There's some, I know there's some fancy stuff in here. When I opened my first calculator, I want to snap this. I just want to snap this. Snap. You know what? I use my trusty snapper. I don't have a trusty snapper. I use this. Stay back. Oh, this is not very professional. This thing is like indestructible. We need to chuck this on the concrete. Let's go inside. Let's chuck this on the concrete.
You may not be allowed to see our house.
Yeah.
Or else our mom will get mad at us.
We're only almost 11. Okay.
Wait, Cameron. Oh yeah, Austin's birthday is in January too.
Oh. I don't want to know who Austin is.
Cameron,
Yes?
don't shove me against the ground yet. I need to get my coat on. And I need to get my coat on too.
And we can, you know what else we can do with the calculator? Fire.
Whoa.
Do you know what I said? I said fire.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to see a magic trick? I can flirt out sparks. The rain of fire.
Cameron, close the door.
I can't do that. Wait, Cameron.
I've got
Oh.
You filming me?
Yeah.
Okay. See you later, guys. One strong calculator didn't break yet. Wow, that is. I think I broke it a bit, maybe. Yeah. Nope. Yeah. There we go. There's some of the numbers. Pretty cool. We'll take open that number dial, but first, what we gotta do, walk around here, and take some flint and steel. Wait, take some flint and steel. Look at this.
Hi. What do you want?
Actually, you know what? We don't want to bring plastic.
Okay, Stella, Cameron wants you. I mean, Cameron, Stella wants you. That's Cameron. That's my little half-sister Stella. We have the same mom but different dads.
Wait, she asked if she could have an extra donuts.
Oh.
And we were in the middle of filming. Filming, people.
Wah!
I know, it's so funny.
Okay.
We don't want to burn plastic, really, so I'm going to take up these buttons.
Okay, I'm not going to stand here anymore.
Alright. So, flint and steel. In this cold weather.
Look at that.
People, the ring of fire. Wait. Oh, look at the ring of fire.
Whoa. I want that kind of fire, okay? So you stay over there.
Oh, fire. That looks so epic. The ring of fire.
You whacked up.
Burn me.
Okay, I think we can go inside now. It's freezing. It's getting really windy out.
Yeah, doing this inside. Hey.
Even my hedgehog's in a coat.
Well, I know. Now, sit up.
Yeah, close the outside door.
Oi! Not closing.
Pull it harder.
You have to pull it really hard.
That work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now look at this. Is it still recording?
Wait, I tell you what you're taking that camera.
Yeah, I know. But I know what's under here. Actually, I've never opened a calculator like this.
Can you look at your old man? Your face is all squinched up.
Look at that.
Here, can I have one of these?
Yeah,
Okay.
what time is it? Ow. Ow. Alright, well, that's our calculator episode of TalkshowMANIA. We were just thinking about a calculator. So.
Okay, have you done yet?
How many minutes has it been?
16 minutes and 44 seconds.
Oh, okay, yeah, definitely end it. We were supposed